Also, new details. The federal government shutdown is impacting the lawsuit against Alligator Alcatraz. The legal battle is now on hold due to the stalemate taking place in Washington, D.C. The Justice Department pushed for the delay since the staff there are not currently getting paid. Meanwhile, the Department of Homeland Security, which is the defendant in the lawsuit, isn't fully operating either. Well, the court agreed to put the case on hold until the shutdown is over. The lawsuit argues the state and the federal government broke the law when they built that detention center without first seeing how it would impact the environment. A district judge ordered the dismantling of Alligator Alcatraz, but an appeals court issued a stay, allowing it to remain open as this case proceeds.
And new at 6, we are getting an inside look about Alligator Alcatraz tonight. A South Florida deputy is detailing his experience working at that detention facility. And Fox 35's Jamie Ostroff has more tonight.
10 Martin County Sheriff's deputies from the agency's rapid response team left to spend a week at Alligator Alcatraz.
Something that was constructed on such short notice, it was extremely impressive from a logistical standpoint.
Lieutenant Michael McCarthy is the watch commander for that team. What was your job while you were out there?
It's strictly from a security standpoint. We run a lot of the checkpoint security, just making sure that the facility is secure and that no one that's not authorized to be at the facility gains entrance.
It's part of a year-long mission that stretches through next June. McCarthy says the governor's office asked all sheriff's offices in Florida to send teams to the site on a weekly rotating basis.
We do not interact with the detainees at all. We had no interaction. They're within the fenced-in detention facility. We never breached or went into that facility. The only time we ever even saw them is when they would be escorted via bus to the flight line to be flown out.
McCarthy tells me he saw a lot of detainees being brought in and out of the facility, but describes his team's deployment overall as uneventful.
A lot of the people that are still there are more of your seasoned protesters or demonstrators, so they knew what they could and couldn't do. They stayed off the property.
As for what we haven't been able to see inside that remote, guarded, fenced-in camp,
you watch the news, and that's a lot of your perception and what you build in your head. And there was a lot of negative connotation surrounding the facility itself.
McCarthy offers this insight.
It was extremely clean. It was extremely well run, well put together and organized. It's very much so geared towards safety, and they're not looking to have any incidents. It definitely wasn't what I expected.